Hello everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we'll be discussing about what's new in Field Service module. Let's move on to the Field Service module. In Odoo 19, we know that when we just want to convert a task into template, it is very easy to do that. So you can just consider a particular task over here, and upon moving on to the settings, you can see that we have the option to convert them into the template. So once you convert a task into template, it will be highlighted over here, and you can find all the templates right now available over here. If you want to make any further changes, you can simply click on the edit button and you can see it over here. Now let's choose one of the uh, task template. Let's say the filter replacement. So upon choosing that, you can see that we can assign the uh, customer over here. I'd like to assign the customer over here as would open wood, and let's save it. And here you can see that we are just going to assign this to the one of the user. So to assign this to the user, we can just move on to planning, and by the user we can just assign this. So as we just move on to the user, here you can see that we can just set this on Sunday. So I would like to just move on with new, and here you can set the task name. That is the replacement. Okay, filter replacement. And you can just set the customer over here. If you want to set the priority and all, you can easily set the priority, and you can also view the itinerary and everything over here. So once it's done, you can save it over here, and now the Mark demo can manage everything. So to manage by Mark demo, we can just log out from initial admin, and we just need to log in as Mark demo. Upon moving on to the demo, here you can see that this person will able to see the assigned works for him, and we can just consider it, and we can see the priority over here. If we just want to add multiple assigners over here, we can also easily add that, and we have the option to set it as in progress, change request, approve, and everything. So let me consider the filter replacement, and you can see that if you just want to manage with the adding of the product, we can add the products over here, and let's add it. And once it's done, you can also just manage with the sales order as well as the worksheet. So here we have the worksheet, and let's move on with the technical replacement, and let's sign everything, and we can just load with the signature, and afterwards you can click on adopt and sign and save it. So once it's done, you can just move on with starting with the marking of the sign, that the time taken. And in Odoo 19, we know that we have the option to manage the exact location of the fieldman service, and that can be tracked over here. So we have already done a video on that. So if you just want to know how to do that, you can just get it, and you'll be also getting the map view location in the chat tab. Now, what I'm going to do is that we can consider the sale orders. In the sale order, you can see the invoice items, delivered items, and everything. So, if you just want to create the sales order or manage the sales order from particular, from the portal view of the demo, we can also just do that. Currently, this is assigned to Mark demo, right? So here we want to create an invoice. So let me create the invoice over here. So once the invoice is created, the invoice will be visible over here. Now let's move on to the website module. From the website module, here you can find the account of Mark demo, and here you have the invoices. So if you just want to manage with the invoices, you can easily manage the invoices from here, or you can also make the payment from there itself. Okay, so again, let's move on to the field service module, and let's consider the filter replacement. And here you can see that I'm going to confirm it. And once it's done, you can see it's in the posted state. And if you just want to print it or make the payment, we can also just do that. Or if you want to preview this, you have the option to preview. And if you want to make the payment, you can make the payment using the card. And let's make the payment over here. So the payment is being done. And afterwards, again, the Mark demo can back to the field service, and from the field service, if he just want to make any further things over here, we can just manage it here, like signing of the report. Like if you just want to sign it, the customer can sign the field service report over here. So let's sign, and let's back to the task, and again let's move on to the field service, and afterwards if we just want to mark as done, we can also click as mark as done over here. Once everything is done, you can just back to the module, and here in the machine admin can view everything. Okay. And in Odoo 19, the other feature that we can talk about is the map view. So as we just move on to the map view, we can locate the addresses, the task over here. And if we just want to drag and place a particular task with priority, we can just do that, and we can view it in the map. So what you have to do is you just need to ensure that you have given everything in the um in the you have configured the Google Maps in the general settings and provided the API key. If you haven't provided that, you will be unable to get the result. So these are some of the new features that you can find in the field service module. So that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. And thank you for watching the video.